Hello there, this is Dr Karishma Ahuja. I have heard a lot of people talking about how things are not working out for them, and also saying that this is all because of their past karma and they can do nothing about it if this is the will of God and the universe. For all such people, here is something I would like to say. Every bad thing that comes your way, everything that makes you feel like a victim, be it a health issue, be it a relationship problem, be it a rejection pattern in your life, you're constantly rejected. You're constantly experiencing failures. I want you to know that this is not your fault. Studies on the subconscious mind suggest that we are all being run by all these memories and programs that have been present in generations before us. It's not your fault. However, it's your responsibility to now do something about it. So calling it karmic payback, calling it karmic debt is not helping you take charge at all. Remember, there is no God or universe waiting to punish you for your past actions. In fact, if there is something that you have done in the past which you should not have done, then the universe and God is so fair that it's giving you another chance and opportunity today to change your life by making the right choices. How do we know that for sure? Well, if we were only here to suffer from bad karma, we would not have been given a mind that can still think a way out of the situation. We would not have been given the ability to make choices, to feel differently, to change our energy. Fear is a vibration. And because you have been a vibrational match to whatever you have encountered in your life, you continue to suffer failures. Remember that you live in a universe that operates by the law of vibration. So because you are expecting failure, you are not allowing yourself to use your ability to make right choices which would help you find a way out of your situations. Keep in mind that you get what you think about, whether you want it or you don't want it. Always remember that the universe that created you out of love. So the only thing that God and the universe expects us to do is to not give up on our ability to love life. Work at developing your faith each and every day of your life. The best way to get started is sit in silence daily for a few minutes. Try to come in conscious contact with the creative source of your being. When you take time out to sit in silence, observe your breath. Just notice how it feels to breathe in and breathe out. Focusing on your breath will reduce the number of thoughts in your mind. It will help you cope up with the negative thoughts and feelings, because your breath has that power. Not only will you feel revitalized, but you will also develop a protective shield around you, which will help you to face your situations with courage and positivity. Remember, on every radio, every CD player, every television set, there is a wonderful button that says on and off. It's your time now to use this button in your own life. Push it anytime you wish. Use this button within you to shift your thought and feeling. Drink some water and continue to repeat thank you for a few minutes whenever you observe yourself surrounded with fear or negative thoughts. This is known as mindfulness in your daily life. A few moments and minutes of experiencing the vibration of gratitude will distract you from the negative thoughts. It will help you feel more positive. It will give you clarity, and you yourself will find a way out of your negative situations. Share this video with as many people as you can. We never know who needs to listen to this information, who needs to save themselves and give their lives one more chance by not giving up on their dreams. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja, and I'm wishing you all the very best. God bless you. Namaste.